So after a big transformation of the hotel, we remodeled the whole hotel. We were able to open in December, and finally today is a step where we open for officially by IHG. We had the director of IHG America visiting us and making sure that everything was according to the brand. It is been a huge step where we have done an amazing job transforming the hotel. After being part of this property for more than 10 years, having a company its evolution and actively led its transformation into voco Surfside Aruba represents, for me, a commitment of tremendous responsibility. So voco Surfside have 69 rooms. Out of those 69, we have 11 suites. We have Nook, it's our restaurant, open for public. The hotel is based, it's a triangle, so the pool is right in the middle of the center of the hotel, close to Reflections, Nikki Beach, where our guests enjoy the beach and Aruba's time.
Un escenario internacional tan competitivo como es Aruba. Es un logro que nos llena de satisfacción indescriptible.
Voco Surfside is not a hotel for tourists only, it's a hotel for Aruba as well. That's why we do understand that the restaurant is open for everyone. We are doing an amazing job to captivate the market with a different concept that what we normally have in Aruba, and I think that it's good to trust and come and visit us.